Hello, my name is Ugur Kavalcı and I'm head of European sales for LEDECA. We are a LED video product factory from Turkey, Istanbul. And here are the new digital out-of-home totems we are introducing in ISE for the first time. This is a 2.6 millimeter outdoor smart product. If we go over this side, I can show you the modules. It's completely aluminum, designed to work up to temperatures of 65-70 degrees. The modules are modular, easily replaceable, vandal-proof, and even waterproof if the front glass is broken. And inside we have sensors, which you can see, that measure the quality of electricity and the power consumption. Also featuring sensors for intrusion, for impact, for dust, smoke, and any other environmental disturbance. The monitoring system that automatically alarms the headquarters. For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.ledeca.com. Thank you.